Let's bake some cookies. I have salt here. I have my weighing cups, teaspoon, sugar is 1 cup, prestige margarine. I have wheat flour all purpose. I'm going to weigh 2 cups or maybe three. Have 2 eggs. Have vanilla essence here. You can use any flavor, and I have baking powder there. So let's bake cookies. Begin by mixing the dry ingredients. Then after dry ingredients, I'll mix the wet ingredients. Then combine. I'll show you the dough after I'm done. So this is 1 cup of sugar. For margarine, I'm going to weigh just half cup. And this is my half cup. You can see it's not getting clear. Half cup of margarine. Half cup of margarine. I'm going to mix it with sugar. I've combined now margarine and sugar. Now let me add eggs. Then I'm going to weigh my 2 cups of flour and mix. My flour, I've mixed flour with baking powder, so I'm just going to sieve. I've weighed 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 3 cups of all-purpose flour. So I'm going to mix, then sieve, combine with my mixture, then make a dough. Sieve, then I'm gonna combine. So this is my dough. Now after mixing, I'm gonna cover it for 30 minutes, then make my shapes, right? Yeah. Tray that I'm using, I'm going to lay my paper on the tray so that now I can place my dough. I've rolled it into this. I'm using this bottle cap to make my shapes. Using fork, I'm gonna pop them the way I want. Like that, then I'll place them here. So already I've made some. For these ones, I've made them being thinner. Then this one, I've thickened them so that I can see now how will they come out. Hopes you get me. Yep. So I'm going to use a toothpick and I'll write any letter. Always preheat your oven, right? After preheating, now we can put them. We'll bake them for 20 minutes at 180 degrees. So let's wait. Oh, our cookies are ready. Let's get them from the oven. Well, they look like that. And with it, let me show you how they look. This. They're so hot. See? Tumeiva ndani. Yani ingine. Hii. Tumeiva ndani. Yeah. I'm going to transfer them into this bowl. So far. And that is how we bake cookies or biscuits. You can consume them with any drink, that is juice, milk, water. You can consume them directly, like just like that, without any drink either. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next vlog.